Fellas, y'all better get right. You better get right with your woman and God, because he gonna be the only person that can help you if your woman go to this tour. Chris Brown and Usher on tour together? What? I'm telling you, fellas, if you and your girl into it and she got bread enough to go to this show, it's a wrap. And they bet not have no backstage meet and greet, or your kids' summer vacation, trips to Miami and overseas. That's out the window. They finna spend that on backstage passes for this show. Fellas, you better get on your best behavior. Now, me personally, if I was single, I would definitely be in the crowd, because it's going to be so many women. Ain't none of them going to be wearing no underwear in the audience. I promise you this. But if you in a relationship, you better get on good terms with your woman, or you going to lose her.